Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 531 Loughton Lane here in Arnold. It's a great colonial. Come on inside. Adorable center hall colonial in the heart of Arnold. Come through to hardwood floors, wood-burning fireplace, nice open floor plan into the kitchen with a big island. Come back to the sunroom, 3 seasons room with tons of windows. You feel like you're in a tree house. New white appliances. Come back to the formal dining space, chair rail, nice views of the woods out back. Through into the formal living room, nice and bright, freshly painted new carpet. Come on upstairs, let's take a look. Master suite, very peaceful feeling. Back to a full bath. Two closets. To another bedroom. Hall bath. 2 more bedrooms. 4 bedrooms in total. Nice closet space in each one. Basement has a nice sized unfinished storage room and a nice big family room. For walkout level, so lots of light. If you love The Little Mermaid or feeling under the sea, you'll love this staircase. For more information on this home, visit us at our website at kn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. Welcome home.